another wee ditty. You probably mind the days when you went to the wee school and you got a new teacher. And she tried to look the Scotch words with you and get you to say things properly. So, if you have a look at you'll have the chorus here. The idea is I'll sing the first two verses. And if you follow me each verse with the chorus, and leave the label for I'll sing the third verse. Right. Okay. Now, is a dove a doo-da, is a doo-a-dum, is a cow a coo-da, a sparrow just as young, and is a water, is a dog a dog, she's got to box my ears down, and take a skelp my lung. Her teacher's off his poster, she changes all her names. Her Shuggy is now Huda, and Jimmy always James. I'm puzzled with order, the way she shuggles words, and I must be glicket, no to ken that fellow friends are birds. Now, is a dove a doo-da, is a doo-a-dum, is a cow a coo-da, a sparrow just a skunk, and is a water, is a dog a dog, she's got to box my ears down and take a skelp my lung. Well, you've taught me all wrong, da. You call a ball. Your wife is new my mother, da. You said she was my mom. It fairly makes me scunner, da. I'll never pass my test. And I'm no sure what I'm wearing new, a summit or a vest. It's a dog a doo-da, it's a doo-a-dum. It's a cow a coo-da, a sparrow just a skunk, and it's a water, it's a dog a dog, she's going to box my ears down and see her skelp my lung. Now there's 12 words for everything, all suggled in my head. How can I be well bred when I keep saying breed? Now is a crow a crawda, is a bull a bull, I'm going to try my hardest da. Ah, wow, ah, wow, ah, wow.
Okay, that was a musical interlude there for a moment.